Hi everyone, thanks for watching. So in today's video we're opening up the Israel pack subscription, but this month we have their new mini box to open, which is $25. I think it's great they have that because some people think that their regular box is too expensive. It is expensive, it's $99. And there is a code to get 15% off. Just using the link I'm gonna list down below, you will save some money. So this actually comes from Israel and I've just been loving the subscription. So yeah, I'm gonna link both of these boxes down below and let's get unboxing. But before we do so, I just wanna take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But how about we start off today with the mini box? I know the theme for the larger box is a hospitality box, so I can't wait to see what's inside. And again, this box is $25. I think you do pay shipping. Again, all the information I will leave down below. The links will tell you more too. Yeah, everything that comes in these boxes just kind of like teaches you about Israel. They come with a lot of information. I just think this is such a great box. And when I open it, this is what it looks like. This is the Israel Pack Experience Box. So in here you get the flavors of Israel, discover Israeli kitchen staples. There's this little pamphlet here, and on the inside it talks about everything. And there's some recipes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with shakshuka, and I discovered it in the very first Israel Pack box I opened. And then there's another one, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, Zimmes. It's T-Z-I-M-M-E-S. Oops, just knocked something over on the ground. This is what it looks like. Looks like something might be leaking. So the first thing in here, so this is a handmade pot holder by Top, and this is durable, 100% cotton, easy to wash, resistant to bleach, heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for serving your shakshuka in a skillet. God, I want to eat that so bad now. Crafted in one of the 3 old weaving mills left in Israel. And I love the color of this. And there's like a little hook so you can hang it up. Awesome. Nice, and I love this. So I got this too in the first box I ever got. So they have a different theme each month, so if you got this box for the first time you wouldn't have repeats or anything like that. But this is hot red paprika with oil, and this is so good. And it sounds like it'd be really spicy. For me, who likes spice, I don't think it's overly spicy at all, but I put this in my shakshuka, and I think this is great. So hot paprika and oil by Preg Spices. So the ingredients are hot red peppers with oil. Hot paprika releases the full flavor and aroma. Add to pasta, tomato dishes, Moroccan fish, hummus, and shakshuka. I love saying that. Created by Preg Spices, a family business owned since 1906. And then we have some honey in here, and it looks like it leaked a little bit, unfortunately. So there's a little honeycomb, like stir thing. Yeah, I actually have this downstairs. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm just going to show you a picture here instead of getting my hands all sticky right now because I have another box to open. It didn't spill much. It's just like, here, I'll show you. It's just like a little sticky, and so it's honey. So I'll clean that up later, but I can kind of feel it. Pure honey from 3 different types: wildflowers, summer flowers, and eucalyptus and citrus flowers. The honey is drained manually without heating or artificial intervention, created with love on chemical-free land by the Tamir family, one of the first settlers in Upper Galilee. So awesome, you get some things to like taste the foods and stuff, and they give you recipes that are based out of Israel, or like, you know, they're like dishes that they're known for. So I think that is a great way to experience Israel, like the box is called. But now let's move on to the hospitality box. So you'll see this box is a lot bigger. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So they have this here, and inside it'll talk about the items. And look, it tells you a lot of information, which I love. And I wonder if they wrapped everything in. Yeah, they wrap everything so cute. It's such a fun unboxing experience. So right on top, like seriously, so cute. There's a little note. It says, "Put me over your challah bread. Add a dash of color and style to your Sabbath and holiday table. Unique fusion of traditional Jewish motifs and modern art. If your heart is longing for Israel, this challah cover is for you." Oh, this is pretty. Look at this. This is like, I mean, everything's authentic from Israel in here. And by the way, you don't have to like be from Israel or be Jewish to get this box. It's probably better not because you get to like learn more. But even if you are also, it'd be fun to get stuff from your homeland. And it says, this embroidery is a design of Jerusalem artist Yair Emanuel. It combines traditional classic motifs with oriental and modern ones, originating in creation that display the synthesis. Emanuel's work is characterized by harmony of rich and intense colors. I love that silver and gold. Let me get it out. Very pretty. There's a lot left. This says bake me on it. This kosher yeast is perfect for your weekend baking project. Use our favorite recipes to make challah, the famous Jewish Sabbath and holiday braided bread. So you have here instant dry yeast. Nice, I don't have any. And I really want bread now that they said that. Next up, use me as a spread for bread and add it to the next dessert or challah that you bake. And you won't be disappointed. Israelis use date honey, salan, in soups, salads, main courses, and desserts. I love dates. We got some in the last box. Oh, I did, and it's so good. I think I might have like one or two. Nice. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried date butter. But I love dates, so I'm guessing I'll like it. Ooh, the next is Drink Me. And celebrate flora from the Torah as this exceptional blend is made from native Israeli herbs not commonly found in tea, such as za'atar, zuda, olive leaf, sumac, carob pod, and cactus flower. And what could be more representative of the country's hospitality than its tea? So this is by Shelva Tea, Jerusalem, harmonizing and rich. We have lemongrass, hibiscus, spearmint, rose petal, olive leaf, sage, and cardamom. And then the other one is Galil, refreshing and robust, made with lemongrass, olive leaf, lemon bulb, sage, and dandelion. These both sound really good. I think it's a sage I like usually. The next item says hang me on the wall. That's exciting. This original painting is a perfect home decor item that tells a story and binds us all together as individuals. The unique artwork with a French accent from the heart of Israel will make you feel extra special. It's in a box. Even the box is cute. Can you see? I feel like it's getting dark right now. I don't know if it's raining or it's already like sunset time. I don't know. And piece of paper here. Archer! Oh my god, this is so cool. It's like multi-dimensional. Look at this. If you hear Archer, sorry. Once it gets like nighttime, it's like cools off here in Florida and he likes to go out in the lanai. But this is so cool. I love this. And there's something on the back where you can hang it or you could just put it on your desk. Okay, well for now. And then it looks like we have one more item in here, and this says, apply me to your skin or put me on your air filter. A few drops of this essential oil can add a lovely dose of natural fragrance to your home. No need for a diffuser to scent your home and enjoy aromatherapy. So jojoba aromatic, pure jojoba oil and aromatic oil. That's packaging is cute. Oh, and this is what it looks like. The pump, I like that. And we got in the fragrance bergamot, nice. So that was everything, you guys. Again, I will link them down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Make sure you use that link to save 15%. Once you click on that, it'll automatically like add the discounted box to your cart. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys again, and thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can hear about the perks or read the perks, and also you can join. So one of the perks, like for tier 2, is that we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. There's just a few of us, so we get to chat and get to know each other better. So if you would like to support the channel that way, I would absolutely love it if you did that. I would love to get to know you, and we also have giveaways, but if not, totally fine. Just by being here and watching this video is super supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.